I'm going car camping this weekend, and I want to find a way to block out the morning sun here so I can sleep a little later, but still not have it so hot overnight inside. So I got these screens that are super easy to put on. I want to show you, it's a nylon screen. It's got a really nice mesh, but it's going to keep the bugs out, which is so great. And it has this elastic, it's about an inch wide, that is going to go around the bottom. Let me show you how to put it on. You literally are just going to open the door and put it on like this. You can pull it down so that it's nice and tight, and then close the door. You can use that while you're driving down the road if you've got a baby or someone that's kind of sleeping in the back seat, and it will keep the sun off of them and also just make it a much more comfortable ride. But more importantly for me, I'm going to be able to roll down the windows while I am sleeping in the back of my car up at our campsite. So I'm loving these. This is so exciting for me.